Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the vlog today. It is Tuesday when you guys, well, when I'm filming this, I don't really know when this will go up, but I did just get done filming it's a 2 to 3 month old baby must-haves video. It's a collaboration with another mom friend of mine. And you guys, you would be so shocked. It is not even 11 o'clock yet, and I have both, or not both, but yeah, both myself and the kids ready. Everybody is dressed. Barrett is eating breakfast now, and then I'm gonna brush his teeth, but I'm like, who am I today? Anyways, drinking my first cup of coffee. I'm not a fan of this creamer. It's okay. It's the cinnamon roll kind, if you guys have ever had it. It's not my favorite, but it will do for today. The camera's on my tripod still, so I'm just filming this way. It's a little strange, but anyways, we are not doing anything today. There is still quite a bit of snow on the ground outside. I will probably take Barrett out for a little bit when the baby goes down for her nap at 11:30. But you guys, I don't want this vlog to be super boring, so I think I'm gonna do a like vlog style clean with me video, and just kind of like clean here and there throughout the day and show you guys like a real life how I clean during the day, because my videos, they're shot over like a full day, if not a couple of days worth of footage. Like that does not happen all in like 20 minutes like my video shows. But you guys probably already knew that. But I think I'm gonna do just, you know, clean here and there and show you guys kind of like how I get my cleaning done during the day when I have kids. Here are my beautiful children this morning. Here's Sis. Yeah, hi baby girl. She likes to sit up in this little bumbo seat and watch brother, but he's having a really healthy breakfast, you guys. He's having little bite muffins and a Danimals yogurt. Right, baby? We need to go to the store. But we don't go grocery shopping for like 2 weeks at a time. So when it gets to like the following week, we kind of just eat whatever. It's such a bad habit, but show you guys the snow that we have. It might be a little too bright to see, but we got quite a bit of snow. Tim did clean off the deck, so you can't really see like the width of it, but we got about 9 inches. Oh my gosh, it is so much better than the V6 I had. This gets so much more dirt and like grit out of the carpets and rugs. It was actually kind of gross to watch, but so much better. I love this thing. mean, look at that, you guys. That was all from just that one little area I vacuumed. And like, look at all my hair. Postpartum hair loss is no joke. Hey, snack. Can you say snack? I decided today that I was gonna start sleep training Savannah. She is 5.5 months old, you guys, and this girl is relentless. We spent 3 hours putting her to bed last night, and she tends to get very overtired because she doesn't want to nap, and then when she does fall asleep, she naps for like 10 minutes, and it's just like this vicious cycle. So I finally put my foot down and I said, enough's enough. Sleep training her today. Please don't leave nasty comments about sleep training. We did it with my son. He's the best sleeper ever. I don't want to hear about how, oh, you let your baby cry and stuff. Like, I don't want to hear it. If you don't agree with the Ferber method, then just don't even leave a comment at all. Anyways, I don't hear her fussing. When I first laid her down and walked out of the room, she fussed a little bit for like a minute, and I know I don't hear her, so. Okay guys, I ended up having to go give her a bottle really quickly. If you guys are new, I breastfeed and formula feed my daughter. Anyways, I had to go give her a bottle of formula, and she got super sleepy after, and I put her right in her crib and she went right to sleep. So I feel a little proud. She's finally starting to get the hang of it. So I didn't realize she was hungry because I tried feeding her right before I brought her upstairs and she wanted nothing to do with it, but homegirl decided she was hungry. Anyways, I'm gonna take this time to edit a video that goes up at 4:30 today. It's already noon and I haven't even started it. So I am gonna do that. And I'll probably have Play-Doh out or something for Barrett to play with while I do that really quickly. Because it's not going to take that long. It'll take me like 20 minutes tops. Okay, so we just got done eating lunch. Well, Barrett just got done eating lunch. I'm getting ready to eat this big bowl of grapes because we don't really have a lot of food and I don't really feel like making anything. But got a little bit of cleaning to do. So this is usually when I'll put her back in her bouncer. She just woke up, by the way. And he kind of just does whatever over here. And this is when I clean the kitchen, because I won't be cooking anything again until dinner time. So I'm gonna quickly do a couple of dishes, clean off the countertops and all of that stuff before Barrett takes his afternoon nap. guys, my husband got these for my birthday 10 days ago, and look how pretty they still look. They are doing amazingly. He usually gets me Pro Flowers, but they die in like 2 days, and he got these from Wegmans, and they've hardly even started to like die. And we spilt the water twice now, and they're still alive. Sissy! Hi, sweet girl. What are you doing? Do you love your bouncer? My mom said I was the same way. I like lived in my little, she calls it like a Johnny jumper that hangs from like, you know, like the entryway. She said I lived in mine, so it's pretty funny that my daughter likes it. Okay guys, it's been a little while since I last vlogged. It is now 3 o'clock and Savannah is down for her second nap of the day. She went right down by herself. I'm so proud. And then Barrett didn't go down for his nap, so he's just playing right now. He likes to line up these chairs. And this is the last room I need to tackle today, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to film it because usually I would clean up the playroom when he takes his nap, but since he's not napping, that's not gonna happen today. As for the rest of the house, that probably won't get done until tomorrow. I can never clean my whole house in one day, you guys. It is like a rare occasion when that happens because my kids are like on opposite nap schedules. They never sleep at the same time. And that's when I would be able to do that. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog, you guys, because we're not gonna be doing anything today. I'm just really trying to focus on getting Savannah on a set schedule so that she thrives and like isn't super cranky anymore. And yeah, Tim's almost home from work and we're probably just, like I said, we're not gonna do anything the rest of the day. I'm gonna cook dinner, give the kids their bath, and then put them to bed and probably just do some laundry because I need to catch up on that. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's little vlog and the cleaning motivation. I hope that it motivates you guys to clean your house today. I know that I love to watch cleaning videos. It always gets me pumped, so that is why I love to film these for you guys. Let me know if you like vlog style cleaning videos or if you would just rather me do the typical cleaning videos that I do. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys